Well, here we go. Brilliant, Nilsen. This is the auto starter from the station fire siren, which I need to get back in service. Let's open the device up, and I worked out how it works. So it's really cool. I'll de-energize. So I documented for myself as well. So the three-phase supply comes in here, L1, L2, L3, and then we got the two contactors here on the right hand side. One is the star, which is this one here at the bottom, and the other one is the delta, for star delta 2 speed as well. So we're going to energize the device. This is a thermal timer, so I will activate it, and we can see this main contactor and the star contactor click in first. Energize device. There you go, and that's the one. We'll de-energize. This thermal timing device is very interesting. I'll just turn the noise off. De-energize. It got a sliding loop here, which you can adjust the timing on. So it's set for about a couple of seconds. The device is made by Nilsen, Australian made. Also rated for 232 or 220 to 250 volts. And for my documentation, I got a 240 volts input here on terminal 1 and terminal 7, which is the neutral. That's the 240 volt operation, which will enable a remote switch to activate the device for the triggering. Okay, we're going to activate again. The star contactor should come in. And then we'll watch that one drop out, and the top one should come in. There you go, it's a bit noisy, but that's alright, I'm not worried about that. De-energize. Main contactor in, the bottom contactor in. And that's the one. Here's the schematic, which is in the lid, and I'll try to run the camera over here slowly. I may do a zoom in as well on this, because I'm sure there will be more of these contactors about in the system. So this is the overall diagram, and now I'm gonna zoom in a bit, and hopefully you can take some stills of this video if you need a schematic how it's wired. This is the main diagram, how the actual relay and contactors are set up. My newly acquired meter from Russia, from Kazakhstan. I'm going to test out shortly as well, so I'm going to put it on the board. So, for my documentation again, terminal 7, I put these labels on here, that is the neutral. Terminal 1 is active, that goes for a remote controlled switch, which normally gets a feed from one of the phases, red, yellow or blue phase, L1, L2, L3 phase, and that activates the whole device. So I'll see I can get some better shots of these things here. It's actually a nice piece of engineering, this, beautifully made. And there's a date code on here, and it looks like 1969. So this thing is 31 and 16, it's 47 years old. I wouldn't say that these bloody new electronic things they sell now these days gonna last that long. They probably last about 5 years if you're lucky. It's just a pleasure to watch these devices. Nice. De-energize calls. I forgot nearly, but I will connect this up to a 3-phase star delta motor before it goes back into service where it belongs. Thanks for watching.